Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by choosing the platform and confirming you have host controls. This matters because only hosts can mute, admit, and record. Once done, draft a tight agenda with time blocks and role assignments so participants know what to expect. Then send invites with the calendar link, time zone, dial-in, and any files to read. Make sure to schedule a brief tech check 10-15 minutes before start, so you can resolve permission or audio issues without delaying the meeting. You open the meeting on time and state the objective and desired outcome to set focus. This orients everyone immediately. Then share your screen for the core material and ask the timekeeper to call out time checks so you hit each agenda item. Once underway, engage participants by name, launch polls for quick decisions, and send people to breakout rooms for focused work. This increases participation. Make sure to summarize decisions aloud before moving to the next topic, so nothing gets lost. You finish by clearly summarizing decisions, assigning owners with due dates, and confirming any follow-up meetings so accountability is explicit. Once the meeting ends, send a concise note and the recording within 24 hours so attendees have a reference and absent participants can catch up. If things go wrong, say someone's audio drops, ask them to switch to phone dial-in, check mute status, or quickly restart the app. These steps resolve most issues without derailing the session.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.